Before all what I tell you, one main thing. If you don't understand about what exactly happened in your amplifier, you mustn't cover it and make any changes in electrical chain. This is very dangerous. Before doing anything, just take and read the user manual for your equipment. If you like what you heard and saw, tap the like button, leave your best comment, write down the frame, and of course subscribe on my channel. This is all very helpful for my channel growing. Okay, let's take small talk about chain and day parts. I use two different tubes. First is PSVANE ECC83, which made in China and was already installed in orange style stamp in the factory. And second is a Electro Harmonix 12AX7, which was made in Russian factory for Electro Harmonix company. ECC83 and 12AX7 is the same type of tubes. In orange, I don't change volume and shape knobs direction, and in all variants they was tuned to middle position. On the guitar, I use bridge pickup all time and don't touch volume knob, it's tuned to high. But I changed gain knob direction and it was 3 point, low gain, middle gain and high gain. All direction which I use, you can see in the image pattern, right down to right on the left side of your screen while you're watching plain part. And in the fourth part I use gray mini tube screamer. All their knobs, it's tone, level and overdrive, of course, raise their eyes to the north. It's middle position. So what about difference? This is my question for you. Do you hear any difference? So thank you for watching, subscribe on my channel, and if you like this, leave your comment right down this frame and like, of course. See you next time.